Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. So you can see today markets across the board are showing the bullish performance, shows some frosty action, more or less significant pullbacks not only on the gold market but out in the Forex market, as we discussed today the situation on the Great British pound. And although it makes no impact yet on long-term trends, it's still strong enough to show a bit more extended pullbacks, as market could reach some more extended targets on a intraday charts in particular, maybe even on a daily chart. What we could say, for example, on the gold. On the gold market, here's a very important nuance has happened. So in general, yesterday we already said about the possible upper direction, and we said do not consider taking any short position until market hits the predefined level. And we were watching for 1840 first, and then we said theoretically it might happen, this market could reach the 1850. And currently, actually, market stands at the 1850 fib level, so resistance on the lower time frame. It still stands in this mega phone consolidation. But here's important moment has happened. So trend on a daily chart has turned bullish. Well, and in such environment, for those of you who trade on a daily intraday basis, you now have the bullish context for trading, because we do not have any clear directional bearish patterns. And with the changing daily trend into bullish, your intraday trading process also should be oriented in the upward direction. So for those of you who would like to take the short position watching for bearish setups, it means that we should wait and probably should have to postpone the decision making on taking the short position. So currently at this moment, and especially on Friday, we think that it's not good situation currently for considering taking a new short position. On the 4-hour time frame chart, for example, so this market has completed the OP around predefined level, but take a look at the pace of this action. It's really fast. With this acceleration rate to the OP, it brings nothing good to the bears, and it means that after minor pullback, it's really big chances that market could proceed further to the XOP target. So for that purpose, at least, I think that before taking any short position, we just need to go step by step, and next moment where we start thinking about watching makes it sense to take short position or not will be XOP. So 1875 here is definitely it's not good combination for taking the short position. For the bulls, you probably could watch for some minor pullback here on some predefined support areas of this recent upper direction and be focused on the possible reaching of the 1875 and reaching the XOP target. With the larger scales, here's a lot of common things with the Great British pound. So on a larger scale, it might be some, I don't know, some kind of the maybe also reverse head and shoulders pattern on this, but it's not as clear as on the Great British pound. This might be left shoulder and head. This market hits the XOP, this will be approximately around the neckline. Then might be some more extended upward action starts to happen. We will see it. But at the same time, around XOP, since this is the neckline, it also might be some pullback. And that's another reason why we decide to watch for 1875 as the next point where theoretically maybe some bearish chances might appear. But currently, at this point, overall performance and context is bullish, and we do not intend to argue, to go against it, and just waiting for this area. Bulls, you could keep your position, you could search chance to go along in some predefined support areas for the possible consideration of the next target around XOP. On the lower time frame, guys, currently I do not see some special patterns. So here's you could see this upper direction is going. So maybe as reaction on the 1850 and a reaction on the OP target that has been reached on the 4-hour time frame chart. So market could show the ABCD pattern, and you could consider, for example, some agreement area with these fib levels to consider possible taking long position with the possible target of the 1875 on the follow time frame chart. So that's maybe the setup that might be interesting to you.